We set it up for one person.
Ты спал в первом ряду.
This lady's taking some home with her. Most of these people are in night shelters or living on the streets. There's Jim and Kadia. So these folks are pouring it into their little plastic pots. They're going to take it home. Or I say home, a lot of them are living on the streets or pretty rough, squatting in rough accommodation. No opportunity to cook or anything. And people are genuinely hungry. A lot of people, this is their only meal. That old lady's already finished hers. Well, they can come round 2 or 3 times.
Мне есть Библия на русском языке, этого не дали. Но я хочу на латышском писать.
Да, есть. Там тебе, да. That guy just asked me if I could give him a Bible, which we can. He'd like to read it. There's the guy who just spoke to me. There's our wonderful brother Maxime in the background there.
There you go.
And then there's the cutting of hair, which is very popular. People don't have much chance to get their hair cut. So this is English church, English language church.